Hi, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Today for you in the dyno stand we have our 427 Windsor engine combination. We go over a little about this specific build spec. We started out with a Dart SHP 351 Windsor block with the 4125 bore. We did the Eagle Stroker forged rotating assembly in here. We had comp cams custom grounded, some nice hydraulic roller camshaft. We got the Canton 8-quart T-sump oil pan on it. For the top end, we did the Edelbrock Victor Jr. cylinder heads. Did the Victor Jr. intake. This customer chose to go with the 427 Ford Racing valve covers, which is a really sweet addition to this engine. As well as he decided to go with the MSD Atomic EFI. On the front end, we got the March alternator power steering and air conditioning serpentine setup, which is definitely the eye candy to the motor. If we can help you out with this specific engine package or any of our other ones, or would you like one of these but customized your way, feel free to give us a call at 800-267-3940 or check us out online at proformanceunlimited.com. Let's take you over to the dyno run.